I thought it was going to be like a class you just take and get out of the way. I didn't think it'd be serious until I realized that certifications could be earned. And working through the class, it was kind of a blend of a shop class and the actual SACA class. That was a whole learning experience for me too. I really thought I knew more than I did going into it. It was a really humbling experience.
I'm Jim Savage, and I am the advanced manufacturing teacher here at Angola High School in Angola, Indiana, where we developed this advanced manufacturing pathway that we're doing now. I teach 3 courses. One is called Principles of Smart Manufacturing. It's the beginning course in the Industry 4.0 pathway. Our community is a very manufacturing-focused community, but just like we are in the infancy of learning the advanced manufacturing and smart manufacturing concepts, so are our industries here in town. We're still very labor-heavy in our industries, but they're transitioning as well into more automated systems, some more smart machinery, and I feel like this program is going to allow my students to step right into some of those roles as they graduate.
My name is Caden Klink. I'm a senior at Angola High School, and this is my 3rd year in the program, and currently I have 2 internships. One's at Trine University with their Innovation 1 lab, and one is at a company called Championship Technology. Through the class, I kind of learned that it takes a lot of self-discipline in order to achieve the certifications I've earned. And I'm kind of just thankful that my school's reached out into this program, and it's helped me a lot.
So we chose the SACA certifications for 2 reasons. One, we had the partnership with Trine, and Trine was a SACA provider, so they were really able to help us in what that test was going to look like and prepare students for that. And that was the industry certification that our businesses were asking for, right? That's what they're doing in that upskilling process. States are looking at on a statewide level to make sure that what schools are providing is industry recognizable and is valuable. And so the only certifications that were on that list in advanced manufacturing that made sense for us were those SACA certifications.
We chose from the beginning of this pathway to go with SACA as our certification portal because SACA certifications are stackable. They are industry recognized, they are global, they are a terrific measuring tool for the student or the person that's taking this assessments, certification assessments, to see where they're at. The SACA certifications are broad, they're rigorous, they're challenging, they test a wide variety of knowledge, skills, the ability to translate knowledge into skills, to apply the knowledge.
These kind of tell employers or even institutions that you have knowledge on this, you have a bit of background knowledge. And the gold ones kind of say you have the hands-on knowledge. So not only could you tell somebody what's going on, you could show them what's going on. You could show them what you're doing, what this means, what it means, not only just telling somebody, but to show them. That's what's gotten me my internship at Trine University on their Innovation 1 labs, is to be able to prove that I have knowledge on all these things. So that's been really helpful in that kind of aspect, is not only getting me in positions, but this is why like your bosses want to know you have them, but to keep you in that position, to keep you able to do like projects and tasks that they have you on.
You know, it's funny, I'm sitting in front of this, what I call my SACA Wall of Fame for the kids who have earned their SACA certifications, whether that be a silver knowledge test or in a few cases a gold skills test. I look at it as those certificates are great to have. They're a great milestone, they're a great marker of where you're at, but they're not an end destination. They are mile markers on our journey as we go. And I want the kids to know that the certificate is awarding them or recognizing their achievement, but it's not an end. It's a path that we want to continue going